how to measure the impact and ROI of user research, and what metrics or KPIs to use to track the success of your research projects. As a user researcher, measuring the impact and ROI of research projects is crucial for demonstrating the value of user research to stakeholders and ensuring that research resources are allocated effectively. Here are some practical ways to measure the impact and ROI of user research, along with the metrics and KPIs to track success. Improved user satisfaction and engagement. One key metric to track is user satisfaction and engagement. Surveys and interviews can be used to measure changes in user satisfaction and engagement before and after research projects. For example, if a research project identifies pain points in a website's navigation and the team implements changes based on the findings, measuring user satisfaction with the website can show if these changes have had a positive impact. Reduce support calls. Another metric to track is the number of support calls or tickets. If a research project identifies issues that were causing users to contact support, implementing changes based on the findings should reduce the number of support calls. This can be tracked over time to measure the impact of the research project. Increased conversion rates. Conversion rates can be a powerful metric for measuring the ROI of user research. For example, if a research project identifies usability issues with an e-commerce site's checkout process and the team implements changes based on the findings. Tracking conversion rates before and after the changes can show the impact of the research project. Time and cost savings. User research can also help save time and costs in the long run. For example, identifying usability issues early in the development process can help prevent costly redesigns later on. Tracking the time and costs saved as a result of user research projects can help demonstrate the value of research to stakeholders. Improve team efficiency. User research can also help improve team efficiency by providing insights that help teams make informed decisions. For example, if a research project identifies a new user persona that the team was not previously aware of, this can help the team create more targeted marketing and improve product features. Tracking the number of decisions made based on research findings can help demonstrate the impact of research on team efficiency. Conversion rate. If you're conducting user research to improve the conversion rate of a website or app, you can measure the impact of your research by tracking changes in the conversion rate before and after the research was implemented. For example, if you conducted research on the checkout process of an e-commerce website and made changes based on the findings, you can track the conversion rate of the checkout process and see if there was an improvement. Customer satisfaction. User research can also be used to improve customer satisfaction. You can measure the success of your research by tracking changes in customer satisfaction scores before and after the research was conducted. For example, if you conducted research on a customer service experience and implemented changes based on the findings, you can track customer satisfaction scores for that experience and see if they improved. Time to completion. User research can be used to improve the efficiency of a process. For example, if you conducted research on the onboarding process of a software product and made changes based on the findings, you can track the time it takes for users to complete the onboarding process and see if it has decreased. User retention. User research can also be used to improve user retention. For example, if you conducted research on the user experience of a mobile app and made changes based on the findings, you can track the retention rate of users and see if it has improved. Reduce development time. User research can help reduce development time by identifying and addressing issues early in the design process. You can measure the impact of research on development time by tracking the time it takes to complete design and development tasks before and after implementing research insights. For example, if you're conducting user research on a software application, you can track the time it takes to develop and release new features before and after implementing improvements based on user research. Increased revenue. User research can also increase revenue by identifying new opportunities for revenue generation or by improving the user experience to encourage repeat purchases. You can measure the impact of research on revenue by tracking changes in revenue or profit margins before and after implementing research insights. For example, if you're conducting user research on a subscription-based service, you can track changes in monthly recurring revenue, MRR, before and after implementing improvements based on user research. In summary, the impact and ROI of user research can be measured through a variety of metrics and KPIs, depending on the goals of the research project. By using these metrics and KPIs, user researchers can demonstrate the value of research to stakeholders and ensure that research insights are being implemented to improve the user experience and achieve business objectives. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe to our channel.